The construction of large projects in coastal areas, such as harbor expansions, land reclamation, or other large infrastructure projects, often involve the dredging of large quantities of sediments. Inevitably, this dredging activity involves a spill of a small quantity of the dredged material, which will then concurrently spread over a larger area, according to the current patterns in the area. From an environmental point of view, this sediment spreading is often considered to be one of the principal concerns of the project. High quantities of sediment may cause harm to the local ecological system, both while in suspension and when settling. It is therefore an important challenge to describe the processes of transport, spreading, sedimentation and impact of the sediment spills. At DHI we've been working with this type of challenges for many years. Our methodologies and our technologies have developed to match the changing demands of society, and we have developed new concepts regarding how to handle this challenge. The need for studies in a specific case will differ. In many cases, only a previous study with a few simulations of sediment spreading will be necessary. In other cases, complex simulations of water quality and ecological impact are necessary. An example of this kind of studies is the environmental impact assessment undertaken for the Fehmarn Belt fixed link between Germany and Denmark. This project investigated the consequences for the environment of the different proposed alternatives for the construction of the link through the application of complex ecological modeling. Another example are the studies undertaken for the reclamation and construction of the Pasir Panjang terminal in the port of Singapore. During the execution of the works, daily hindcast modeling formed part of a continuous evaluation of the environmental impact of the dredging. Highly specialized knowledge has been developed at DHI during this type of studies, and partly incorporated into our Mike by DHI products. Mike by DHI contains the world's most versatile modeling system for coastal and marine modeling. It is very suitable for the undertaking of studies related to sediment spills. Moreover, a series of special features makes it even more productive for this kind of studies. For example, our flexible calculation measures that makes it possible to have a highly variable resolution and thus have a very high resolution in the focus areas while still working in a large model. Or our open numerical laboratory called Ecolab, where the water quality model can be defined and modified by the user. It is also professional software, developed under the highest professional standards and employing ISO certified development processes. We also have a professional support system and a series of other help and service functions in place for our users. If you're interested in learning more about how Mike by DHI can help solving the challenges connected to sediment spills, then join one of our presentations.